Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. So today's Flashback Friday video is when my distributors really tried to screw me. Check this out. Alright guys, we're here on site. So what we got here is a 2-zone Mitsubishi hyperheat system. It's an MXZ 2C20 NAHZ4. And that's going to be mated with an indoor wall unit, the MSZ GS15NA. and MSZ GS06NA. So we had a little problem with Johnstone delivering all our small parts, so I guess we're going to go inside and probably start mounting these wall units. Alright, Matt's going to check out the crawl space. It's going to be a light day today because Johnstone didn't get those parts delivered because they're short-staffed apparently. But here's where the heat pump's going. Don't have a pad, don't have anything for it because the delivery I was supposed to have on Friday didn't show up. So, yeah. I guess all we're going to do today is mount those wall units and hope that I can still get this done tomorrow. Alright, so the 6K unit is going to go right up there. He needs to move that smoke detector, so I'm going to wait for my electrician. It's a hardwired one, so it's going to have to be removed before we can mount the wall unit. Let me go show you where the 15K is going. Alright, just went and grabbed some drop cloth. So the 15K is going down here. If you look, what's the best way to separate them down here? This'll feed the downstairs, and then that 6K is going up on that wall. That's their little upstairs loft bedroom. So let's start some mounting. Alright, I got my wall anchors here. I usually put a good 12 to 15 of them in them. I mean, it's something that's going to be there for about 15 years. So, and then I'll also get find a couple studs up there to put 2-inch zip screws in to anchor it down real good. But this seems to do a pretty good job. It'll hold pretty much any unit, any size if you do it this way. Let's get to mounting this unit. All right, I got my wall bracket temped up there. Now, normally what I do is I'll put a screw there and then maybe one on the opposite corner and have it level with my level. And then I'll mark out the rest and I can put my anchors in. But this has some wood paneling that is plenty sturdy to support the unit. So I think what we're going to do is just use a bunch of 1-inch zip screws, and then I'm going to find a couple studs in there and put some 2-inch, and that's going to hold it. That's going to hold it plenty. And then we're going to get a spotter, and we'll spot that out. What I like to do is mark how far from that edge your center of your hole is going to be. So it's 2.5 inches. And then just make sure you're above the unit to the bottom of the hole. Do your spotter through, make sure you're good outside, make sure you're not going to hit a stud, and then go for it. Drill your hole. And I'll show you that in a minute. Alright, since we had that wood back there, I just put buku screws in that sucker. And then we got some 2-inchers that are hitting studs right there, and one right there. I'm going to put another one there. Let's spot this hole. Okay, we got our spotter rod / insulation pin through. Let's go check it out on the other side. That's nice. There she is. So it's probably going to go that way and down to our unit, which is going to be right in here. Alright, we got the hole drilled on the inside. Let's go on the outside and drill the hole. Alright, Matt, let's get that hole drilled up there.
Alright, let's do it.
Safe. Battery dying? No, push harder, come on.
Come on.
There you go. I'll be there. Almost there. Almost there. Let me take a look.
Okay.
All right, the hole is drilled. I had to go on a little rescue mission, but it's through. Let's go hang this unit. All right, we got the lines all taped up there. Just waiting for my brother to grab that ladder, and we'll go get her through there. All right, she's up there. Not much else we can do today because Johnstone screwed up again and didn't bring our parts. So let's see what else we can get done out here. I got a service call I'll share with you a little bit later today, and that's how we'll finish out this video. Yeah, so this install is off to a flying start. So all we really are going to be able to get done today because of Johnstone Supply is getting that wall unit hung and basically just stare at this thing in its box. I'm not going to drill any holes, still have the lines to put them in for the other unit. I don't have the lines to do it. Don't have my pad. I don't have anything to do this. I can't mount that upstairs unit because of that that smoke detector that I need my electrician to block off and make safe. I don't want to be responsible for tucking that in the wall. And then I also want to mention one other thing. Gensco keeps leaving my invoices with my equipment prices on them for the customer to see when I'm not here. The last straw, I've told them at least 50 times not to do that, and they did it once more. So I'm pretty pissed off about that. I wish I could get more done on this job today, but because of my distributors, I can't. So let's head off to that service call. All right, pulling off due to no fault of my own. I'm kind of on a rant today. I really hate it when they don't deliver stuff when I need it and they make excuses. They probably just forgot again like they did in the past. And that invoice thing where they're leaving the customer my pricing for my equipment. And so about 2 years ago, it cost me a job because the customer saw my invoice and, you know, all of a sudden was wondering what I was making off of him and asked me if I could drop my price substantially. And, you know, of course I can't. I have to make a certain amount of money to stay in business. And, yeah, so he goes, nope, unless you drop your price, I don't want you doing it. I'm going to find somebody else. So I lost that project because of what they did. And I really reamed them. And they keep doing it. This is like the 4th or 5th time in the past 2 months they've left the invoice with the customer without me there. Ugh. Anyway, ran over. I got about a 30-minute drive to this service call for a no AC. It's a heat pump on a manufactured home. Hopefully it's another cap and go. We will see. I will be with you shortly. All right, so it looks like we have a 4TWB 3024 built in April of 2014, 2-ton basic 13-SEER heat pump. And as soon as I took the cover off, it's pretty apparent what the problem was. Capacitor's bloated, so let's pull it out of there and we will see what kind of readings we get off of it. So on our Herm compressor side, we have a 0. And on our fan side, we have 0. She's dead. I could tell by the way it was all blown up, so let's go get a new one. Well, serious case of the Mondays. So I had a guy come by last night and I replaced his capacitor for him, and I took my bin out that had all my capacitors. I left it in my shop. So luckily this job's only about 8 to 10 minutes from my house, so I'm gonna go run and grab the capacitors and I'll come back out here. Look at this beautiful place out here. This is Smith Rock State Park. Beautiful out here. Nice little winding river called the Crooked River down below here. I don't come down here often enough. I need to. That's the saving grace about this one, is it's nice out here. So I'm gonna go grab this capacitor, come back and get his heat pump running. I'll be back. Well, looky there. I set it next to the truck this morning because I was gonna move all of them so my brother could sit down, but he decided to just drive his own truck and follow me. So left it sitting right here in my driveway. Let's grab this guy, load him up. Let's go get this 40/5 capacitor in for this guy and get him some cooling. All right, we got our new 40/5 capacitor. Always test your new one before you put it in. So let's see what we got. So on our fan side we have 4.6, and on our compressor side we have, sorry, I did that wrong. On our fan side we have 5.13, and on our compressor side we have 41.67. Good to go. All right, guys, she's running. Simple cap and go. I've been getting these at the end of my day every day, so I'm not going to complain. House is cooling down. He said it got up to 97 degrees in the house yesterday, so they'll be able to sleep tonight, and that makes me happy. Let's get on our way. Okay, another quick, easy service call. I love it. I haven't been getting anything too complicated. Let's take in this scenery. It's just gorgeous down here. I think we take it for granted when you only live a few minutes away. This guy really does, probably because he lives right next to it. Probably gets tired of all the tourists. So yeah, in closing on that, so you know, it's another cap and go. Hold on a second, trying to turn here. It's another cap and go. I didn't check out any temps. I didn't really do anything else. I asked him, I go, hey, have you had any other issues? You know, are all your registers blowing good? He said yes. You know, it's a little junky, little manufactured home. So not gonna go crazy over analyzing. He'll let me know if something's not working. So yeah. It's only Monday. Today was frustrating. It was really frustrating. Hopefully that means tomorrow will be better. You know, I gotta think of the glass as half full. So another day in the life. I just wish other people wouldn't step on my toes. You know, trying to be productive and make some money. But yeah, that's a wrap. I'm gonna go down, probably come back down here after I'm off, and come back down here with the family maybe, and check this place out since I live so close. I don't know why. I don't know why I don't come down here. It's crazy. But yeah, we've got some good content coming up the rest of the week. Tomorrow we're gonna finish up that 2-zone. Hopefully, I have all my parts and everything goes well, and then we got another. More intense one that's got some duct work and stuff that needs to be done on it. So lots of good stuff coming up. Lots of interesting installation stuff for sure. And then I'll get these little service calls mixed in. Cap and goes aren't very exciting to watch, but they're exciting for me because it's quick and easy, and the customer's happy at a minimal expense, which is very important. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.